Good evening, one and all. My name is Munisekhar, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is multiprocessor. Okay, so what is a multiprocessor? A system with multiple processors is nothing but multiprocessor system. Okay, so a multiprocessor system is a system supporting interconnection structure of more than one processor is actually referred as multiprocessor system. So, in this system, there are multiple independent processors which can execute several tasks parallelly. The fundamental concept behind this multiple processor concept, okay, is to enhance the efficiency and performance of overall system. Okay, so before considering the importance characteristics of this multiprocessor system, we need to know about the what is the difference between multiprocessor system and multi-computer system. First of all, we know the difference between multi-computer and multiprocessor system. Okay, so let us going to discuss about the multiprocessor system. A multiprocessor system supports the existence of more than one processor. Okay, the existence of more than one processor is nothing but multiprocessor system. Okay, existence of more than one independent processors. Okay, so what about multi-computer system? Okay, a multi-computer system is a collaboration of more than one computer system connected by means of networks. Okay, so that is the difference between multi-processors and multi-computers. Okay, so that is the difference between multi-processors and multi-computers. Okay, so now we know about the what is a multi-processor system. A multi-processor system is a system, the interconnection of two or more processors or two or more CPUs with memory and IO equipment. So here, so in the multiprocessor system point of view, a processor is a CPU or IOP. Okay, IOP. So what is a CPU and what is a IOP? Okay, we know about the function of central processing unit. So according to Van Neumann architecture, the central processing unit is a data processing unit. Okay, the CPU has two units. One is ALU and another one is control unit. Okay, so we know the function of arithmetic logic unit and we know the function of control unit. Okay, so here the arithmetic logic unit acts as a execution unit, so it is called data processing unit. And next one is the control unit. Here, what is the role of control unit? The primary function of this control unit is to fetch the instruction from the memory and issues the control signals from the issues the control signals to the overall system. That means all major components of our entire digital system. Okay, so these are the combination. Okay, so the CPU has ALU and control unit. Okay, so it is the central processing unit is a heart of the computer. And next one is input output processor. Here the input output processor, one of the major function of this is it issues the control signals. That control signals monitor and controlling the transfer of information and in and out of the our digital system. Okay, so it is in multiprocessor system point of view, processor here nothing but central processing unit and the input output processor. Now tell me the definition of multiprocessor system is a system interconnection. That means a system support, okay, supporting interconnection structure of more than one processor, usually referred as multiprocessor system. Okay, so now, so already we know the difference between multi-computer and multiprocessor. What is the major difference between the, so we need to find out the multiprocessor and multi-computer is here. So one thing here, identifying the, so operating system. Okay, here with the distinction it can be analyzed that a multiprocessor is maintained by a single operating system. Okay, so whereas in multi-computer system, each computer maintain its own operating system, so which is a independent of the operating system maintained by the member of systems of single multi-computer system. Okay, so in the multiprocessor system, so only one operating system, and here multi-computer system is nothing but, so each and every computer having its own operating system. That is the difference between multiprocessor and multi-computer. Now we are going to discuss about the characteristics of multi processors. Okay, so here we need to know about the, so what are the characteristics of our multiprocessor system. Okay, so the multiprocessor, the first one is multiprocessor system occupies very less space and also they are of low cost. That means the multiprocessor system occupies very less space and it comes from low cost. Okay, so it comes from low cost. Okay, so what about how to justify? So it comes from low cost, occupies very less space. Okay, so very less space. Okay, and nowadays we are, the user of the computer always wants to, so high performance system. Okay, so that means the low cost and small size of the processors, these type of systems are in large demand in a nowadays. Okay, so this made possible due to the emergence of most sophisticated technology referred as very large scale integrated circuit technology. Okay, what is a very large scale integrated circuit technology? Before going to that one, so we know about the generation of the computer. Okay, the first generation computers, the processor made with, so the processor functionalities are doing by the vacuum tubes. After the second generation, transistors, and third one, so integrated circuits, and fourth generation large scale integrated circuit technology. Now we are at the fifth or current generation, we are using the processor design very large scale integrated circuit technology. Okay, so very large scale integrated circuit chip technology or short VLSI, which facilitate the integration of several millions of transistors into single minute chip are very low cost. Okay, so millions of transistors are integrated within a single chip. Okay, so it occupies very less space and it comes from low cost. How it is low cost means, in the first generation computers, our computers occupies 1500 square feet, so space, and 30-ton weight. So the maintenance of that first generation computers and maintenance of the components of the computers, nowadays we are all using hand handled computers. Okay, so that is a multiprocessor system technology. By using the VLSI technology, it occupies very less space. Okay, so the next one is, so the reliability, the multiprocessor system. Okay, so the reliability, the multiprocessor systems enhance the reliability of existing system. Okay, so enhance the reliability of existing system to greater extent. Okay, so How it is reliable? Okay, so how to justify this characteristics is reliability. Okay, what is a reliability? Okay, so our system is a multiprocessor system. Okay, so what is a multiprocessor system? Is a system with more number of processing capability. Okay, so here, so before our multiprocessor system is enhance the overall system performance, and it enhance the system performance. Here the thing is, only one thing is, so for example, our system is a multiple processors. So in case of any processor is failure occur during the processing, so the remaining processor take over the failure processing task and complete the task in timely. So it is a reliability. So the multiprocessor system enhance the reliability of existing system. And third one is the multiprocessor system, so improves the overall system performance. Overall system performance. Okay, so here, so how it enhance the overall system performance? Okay, so there is, by using the multiprocessor system, okay, there is a two features. Okay, the first one is multiple independent jobs can be made to operate in parallelly, and second one is single job can be partitioned into multiple parallel tasks. So these are the two features are supported our multiprocessor system. So by using that features, or by using that advantages, our multiprocessor system enhance the overall system performance. Okay, these are the characteristics or advantages of our multiprocessor system. The first one is the multiprocessor system occupies very less space and they are all low cost. And second one is the multiprocessor system, okay, so enhance the reliability of existing system, and third one is it enhance the overall system performance. Okay, so overall system performance. Now we are going to discuss about the, so what is a, so the classifications. Okay, classifications of multiprocessors. Okay, this classification purely based on the memory organization. Okay, so the multiprocessor system classifications purely based on, so how they are organized. Okay, so according to the memory organization, our multiprocessor system is tightly coupled multiprocessor system, and second one is loosely coupled multiprocessor system. Okay, so what is a tightly coupled and what is a loosely coupled multiprocessor system? This entire classification based on, so memory organization. Okay, so what is the memory? We know about the memory. Memory is a storage device here. So the organization, the basic organization of this memory unit is, one is shared and another one is distributed. Okay, one is shared and another one is distributed. So it is, so our multiprocessor system is, one is shared memory multiprocessor system, another one is distributed memory multiprocessor system. The tightly coupled multiprocessor system also called as shared memory multiprocessor system, and loosely coupled multiprocessor system also called as distributed memory multiprocessor system. Okay, now we know about the what is a shared and what is a distributed. Okay, so our storage container, that means in our system, so all the programs or data or instructions are stored so are available at one location, that is called, our storage container is called memory unit. Okay, so memory unit. Okay, so by organizing this entire memory is two type. One is shared, means, so what is the shared memory concept is, the shared variables are available at common memory unit. So the entire, the remaining processors all are access this common location. And next one is the what about the distributed memory is our entire memory unit is divided into number of memory modules. So these number of memory modules are attached to each and every memory unit, sorry, processor unit. Okay, so these that is a difference between shared and distributed memory multiprocessor system. Okay, so these are the concept behind the characteristics of multiprocessor system. Thank you.